So here we have a question like I'm running a Google search ads $20 a day for marketing agency to bring business to the agency. Should I focus on local area or countrywide? I'm in Canada. So I believe that for any campaign specifically related to marketing agency, I would definitely recommend a local area campaign. In case if you ask me, my first preference will be to local search ads campaign. Okay, what you can do with this, that you can show your campaign exactly on Google Map for people who are searching for near me. I would definitely recommend this to target people near me. I also will recommend you to focus on creating a, when it comes to nationwide, I would prefer a countrywide retargeting or a remarketing campaign. Because I believe that you are driving traffic from other sources as well. So a retargeting or a remarketing campaign focusing nationwide would be an ideal strategy, because we are targeting through social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, or whatever your traffic sources are. So a combination of both here, is going to be a best fit for you. So local search campaign is a city-wide or a local area campaign, and a retargeting campaign should be for a countrywide. But again, because marketing agencies in highly competitive niche on Google Ads, it's a highly competitive niche on Google Ads. So my strategy is to to stand out, and again that too because your budget is very low, $20 a day. So I do not think that a countrywide will be a good idea, because you are going to waste $20 in few minutes, and you will realize that you have wasted a minute, all of the clicks, because I do not think that you will be able to convert any visitor into customers, because $20 is a budget, very low budget. So for a budget like this, very low, very low. So there's out of question point is to run a countrywide campaign. But yeah, you can run a retargeting remarketing campaign for a countrywide. Again, you can either do this or this, because due to lower budget, or this, either run a local search campaign in a local area, or do a remarketing or a retargeting campaign nationwide. But again, $22 is a very limited for this campaign. So my only strategy will be to focus on local search campaign here. So this will be my strategy, and that is to focus on local search ads campaign, and that is how you can make a winning, or you can get some customers, because people who see your address and like they are near my area, so they are much more likely to give you trust and buy product from you. So this can be your best option with this kind of a budget. Again, even 20 is much lower for local search campaign, but ideally it's better to have something than nothing. Then go with the local search campaign. I hope you like my answer. And in case if you want any question, if you want me to answer, write in the comments and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching again, and bye bye.